I'm excited to launch an incredible business tool we've created for photographers. When you're employed, you are paid a set wage or salary based on your hours and experience. So why, when you're working for someone else, would you accept anything less? This is why we've created a pricing calculator. It's designed to simplify the process and work out what you need to charge per session to not only cover your cost of doing business, but to also track your cost of living to determine your required salary. The formulas in this calculator will not only help you set your goals, but will also allow you to keep track of your progress with a few easy steps. But the most important thing you need to know when structuring your pricing is, if you don't value your time and talent, no one else will.